behind the ear that I'm telling about.
Yeah.
So better get a little here.
Okay.
See? To get the length of the back. Okay? When you're doing this one here, you should at least tell the client to make like this.
Okay.
Make client just little bow when you're doing the back.
Okay.
And yeah, make little like this when you're cutting straight. Okay? Then the next, when on the side, you should at least make like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you should, yeah. To get an even straight cut.
Yeah.
So by here, we have a guide already here on the side, yeah?
Mm.
Get the side of the hair. Get the... Too much. Too much tangle. She's not taking a bath.
It's not waiting.
You see this one? You can see this, yeah?
It's up and down.
So now, you can make your... But straight also, ah? Make it straight also. See? So you will get both back and here by getting here a little. So you finish this side and she will finish the other side.
Okay.
Okay? Okay.